Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change the key colors on your Samsung Galaxy keyboard. So Keys Cafe, part of Samsung Good Lock Suite, lets you fully customize the appearance of your Samsung keyboard. So one of the coolest features is changing the color of individual keys, including gradient, dynamic colors, pastels, and even animated effects. So you can customize the key borders, text colors, highlight colors, and even create keyboard themes from scratch. So let me show you how you can do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and open up the Keys Cafe module, which is right here. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on keyboard. Now these are the recommended keyboard options which you can add. So you can go ahead and choose from all of these default choices. However, if you want to go ahead and make your very own, you can go ahead and tap on the plus sign. And here you can go ahead and choose different keyboards. So here, if you want to go ahead and edit the colors of all the keys, you can go ahead and do that. If you just want normal keys, different color, you can do that as well. Function key, different color, choose that. Number key, different color, go ahead and make that as well. So as you can see, this is like a rainbow theme which I have created. You can go ahead and choose from all these recommended colors, palettes. But if you like what you see here, just go ahead and tap on save. Go ahead and give this a name. And then this will basically apply to your keyboard. So now when I go ahead and view my keyboard on my Samsung Galaxy device, you'll see that it's my own colors. So this way you can personalize your keyboard to match your wallpaper and theme. It makes key easier to see for better typing accuracy. And this adds a fun visual effects and make typing more enjoyable. This will also improve the visibility for low light situations. You can also create multiple color profiles and switch between them anytime. So there you go guys, that is how to change the key colors on your Samsung Galaxy keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy device.